You join us here this morning. We're at Scotland's Bravest manufacturing company, and we're here to celebrate a 15-year relationship between Amey and RBLI, making signs and giving real opportunity for our much valued veterans. It's really great to be here to see the impact that Amey's work over the last 15 years has on the veterans and how we can help their lives.
Amey operate the length and breadth of the United Kingdom, and that's where we need our signs. So the year to date, January to October, 26,000 signs have been procured from RBLI, which is brilliant. We need them for our highways networks, we use them on Network Rail, also in the buildings that we manage across the country.
What is key for us in Amey is that we deliver really great social impact, and through this partnership we can really make a difference. It's been absolutely fantastic to come along today and see the investment in the veterans. As a veteran myself, it's really personal to me, and they're doing it right.
There was a period of time I was getting pretty low and I didn't know what the reason was, and it was basically having a purpose. Employment was purpose, so I took on the job here. It was like-minded ex-veterans, so that helped me push along towards that. And then, you know, coming into work, I'm working 4 days a week, and that gives me ample time to recover over the weekend and spend time with the family, but also come back in here. And they're very supportive of the injuries that I received.
Coming to SBMC, it gave meaning to my life, because before I had no meaning, I was lost. It gave me a chance to be me. I look at it as a tunnel. SBMC was a light at the end of that tunnel, and I walked towards that, and it's changed my life so much.
Within our social enterprises here at RBLI, we are extremely proud to have at least 80% of our employees that are either veterans or people with disabilities. For some people who leave the armed forces, they find the transition to civilian life extremely difficult and challenging. Here at RBLI, we want to empower those individuals. We want to enable them to have self-belief and confidence to go out into the world and be active and economically viable members of society. Not only have we been able to offer additional employment and training opportunities to veterans and people with disabilities, we've been able to provide ongoing support and training for members of their families as well.
Every year, about 16,000 people leave our armed forces, and that's a lot of skills, knowledge and experience. At Amey, we're really keen to support people back into employment and provide those opportunities for secondary careers so they can go on and support the wider economy.
I cannot thank Amey enough for their decision to buy social, a product that they're going to buy anyway, but making the decision to buy it from us, that we can create social impact every single day. Thank you just doesn't seem enough.
Our work with the RBLI supports our wider commitment to the Armed Forces community, and we're really proud to be signatories of the Armed Forces Corporate Covenant. I think particularly at this time of year as well, we all remember the sacrifice that individuals provide to this country. So, you know, offering that opportunity for employment and support as they move into separate or different careers is something that we think is the right thing to do.
We're delighted to be celebrating this key milestone, and we look forward to celebrating many more milestones together.
The social impact from partnering with RBLI is vast. Every year we enable 5 veterans to gain full-time employment as a result of the products that we procure and source from the organisation. Every product we purchase from RBLI helps them change lives.